Please do not record inside my vehicle. That you cannot do. That you cannot do. You cannot do.
Sure, don't touch
Please,
me.
please.
Do not touch me.
I'm asking you.
Do not touch me. Get back.
Wait, 5.
Step back.
Record inside my vehicle.
Step back.
I resist against
You're getting sued, mother.
Craig's encounter began in a public space, where filming is generally protected under U.S. constitutional law. Officers were called after a private business objected to being recorded, even though the activity occurred on a public sidewalk. According to Smith v. City of Cumming, 212 F. 3rd 1332, 11th Circuit 2000, citizens have a First Amendment right to record matters in public spaces. Despite this, the situation escalated when officers questioned whether Craig had credentials to film, treating a protected right as something requiring permission.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Are you recording for something?
Nothing special.
Oh, just recording?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're going to be on TV. Oh, right. One of our menus.
Oh, excellent.
And then you also have a $10 gift card if you
Oh,
want.
excellent. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Nice place. Pasta Volo. Here in Asbury Park. On the corner of Summerfield and Bond Street. Very polite people. Oh, curious about my recording, but who wouldn't be? All right. See what else we got going on around town. One of the workers came out and gave me the menu and the $10 gift card. Huh. I'm like, man, maybe I should start filming food places. That'll be like the new genre. I get free food out of it.
The chiropractor's complaint focused on privacy concerns and alleged exposure of patient information, even though Craig remained outside the office. Police engaged Craig by questioning his purpose for filming, rather than assessing whether any crime had occurred. According to Glick v. Caniff, 655 F. 3rd 78, 1st Circuit 2011, individuals have a clearly established right to record police and public activity in public places. Instead of reinforcing that standard, officers continued investigating Craig as if filming itself created suspicion.
Excuse me? Yeah.
Wait, that way?
No, that way.
Why is that?
No reason.
City of Asbury Park Police.
I'm a chiropractor on the corner of Bond and Summerfield. There's a guy who set up a camera facing my office, and I asked him if he was recording my office, and he said yes. And I asked him why, and he said no reason. I just thought it was weird. By HIPAA rules, I'm not supposed to expose any of my patients' information, including office visits. So I don't know if there's anything you can do, but
Excuse me 1 second. What was your name again, sir? No problem. I'll send her Officer by, okay?
Okay, great. Thank you.
All right, take care.
My call. I guess they was curious as to why you were recording.
441 under the influence.
Oh.
Copy 953.
They were curious. Yeah. They was asking why you was recording. You record me. That's okay. I'm recording you also, Zal. Yeah. So you got any credentials to be recording or whatever?
Credentials?
Yeah.
What kind of credentials?
Any type that you want to provide.
215.
No, I have nothing.
Okay. What are you recording, sir? If you don't mind me asking.
Okay, 215.
Anything I can see.
Huh?
Anything I can see.
Are you FA 4,
Okay.
sir?
All right. Any particular reason?
Count 4, doing payroll.
Any particular reason?
Can you do me a favor and help me out real quick with a vehicle release?
Okay.
Backed up with other
I just called my
reports in the lobby.
supervisor, let him know.
41.
Yeah.
No problem.
Is there a problem with recording, sir?
They don't want you to record in front of their business.
Yeah, that's not really their choice. So.
Okay.
Treadway 07, how you doing?
Huh?
Let's drop my evidence off.
Oh, okay. I don't know. He's recording.
Life unit.
You know, they don't want him recording in front of the business. No credentials to the recording.
Okay, public space.
So, huh?
Public space.
Go ahead.
No, absolutely. You can record. I'm just. Huh? Yeah, I'm good. I'm just having. Wait.
I was literally just come down this way from my shop. Nice meeting you.
You too,
Have a good one,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Have a good day. Thank you for honoring your oath. All right, you're dismissed.
Huh?
You're dismissed.
Oh, no. I'm calling my supervisor over just to let him know.
Oh, I thought that was him.
No. That's not my supervisor. So you can't dismiss me anyway.
Well, yeah. As far as I'm concerned, you're dismissed.
Yeah. No, that's fine.
Why would you?
One officer on scene acknowledged that Craig was in a public space and did not need permission to record. Another officer initially told the complainant that Craig was legally allowed to film from the sidewalk. In Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1, 1968, officers must have reasonable suspicion of criminal activity before detaining an individual. Even with that understanding, the encounter escalated without clear evidence of any crime.
Ask me for credentials to film. Is that even a thing?
There is.
No, there is
You
not.
So you ever
There is
seen,
not a
so,
thing.
No. Before you try to out-talk me. So you ever seen somebody that does you can
Yeah, I
plug that.
want to hear this.
So like the news, like Channel 12.
Right. They have no credentials.
They do have credentials. You see, they have cards that say with Channel 12 we do this. So they do that.
That's
They
not
do.
that's not a government credential. It's not anything. It's just from their company.
Yeah, that's fine.
So I could have I could print out a
They're
press pass.
They're journalists.
I'm a journalist as
so
well.
that's fine.
I could print out a press pass and
can.
stick it on
You
and
can. Absolutely. Yes, I have this guy out here. He's recording. Well, now he's filming us now.
8325 County.
Yeah, he's here right now.
83258.
Yeah. Okay.
83258.
Muting to talk to Officer Whitley.
No, he just arrived. Okay, I'll speak with him.
Come on, yeah, come on.
So he's just recording. The owner of this business did not want him recording in front of his business.
He's on a public street. I mean, he's on a sidewalk,
No, I
so
just wanted to let you know. That's all.
we're good.
Yeah. Okay.
Just do me one favor. Please just don't block the door, though. That's all.
I haven't blocked the door until just this moment.
That's fine. No, that's fine. That's all. You could keep recording and everything. That's fine. That's it.
Let you know. I just let-
Yeah, no, he's allowed to record in public. No, no problem.
Okay. Yeah. So I just spoke with him because he's allowed to record. It's a public place or whatever. But I just told him to move from in front of your door. And so.
Yeah, so I'm sorry, because he became aggressive. I mean, look at this is where it gets a little like, wait a minute,
Yeah.
because partway through this, he's recording in my office.
Yeah, no, that he cannot do.
He should not. And then
Yeah, I agree with you.
as it gets deeper in here, and I'm going to have a patient walk in about 5 minutes. He is literally up on here, and he comes pretty much. He is right in my office. So I mean, I don't, that there's a HIPAA laws that say, to keep the privacy of my
Absolutely.
patients,
Absolutely.
and I don't know if that's the privacy aspect
Please do not record inside my vehicle. That you cannot do.
Craig was later confronted near a police vehicle, and force was used during what officers described as a resisting situation. The arrest followed physical restraint, resulting in visible injury, while Craig repeatedly asked what he was being charged with. According to Graham versus Connor, 490, U.S. 386, 1989, police use of force must be objectively reasonable, based on the facts and circumstances confronting officers. The footage raised questions about whether escalation was justified, given the lack of clear probable cause at the outset.
Please do not record inside my vehicle. That you cannot do. That you cannot do. You cannot
Sure,
do.
don't touch
Please,
me.
please.
Do not touch me.
I'm asking you.
Do not touch me. Get back.
Wait, 5.
Step back.
Record inside my vehicle.
Step back.
I'm not going to let you record inside my vehicle. You cannot do that.
I can, and I will.
Come on.
I am not under arrest.
I'm resisting it, please.
You're getting sued, motherfucker. Off me.
Give me another unit for resisting.
Nice, huh? Good, Asbury Park.
Yep, this is what you wanted anyway.
Nice.
This is exactly what you wanted.
Nice. You better get me an ambulance, you bitch.
I copy.
Turn around.
Suck
Turn
you
around.
piece of shit.
Turn around, sir.
Off me.
Turn around, please, sir.
Put your hand behind your back.
I have done nothing wrong.
Put your hand behind your back. You're resisting arrest. Stop resisting arrest.
I did not do
You
anything
started
illegal.
recording inside my vehicle, which
I
you know
did
we have a
not do
computer. You cannot
anything
do that.
illegal.
Ask them to
I
stop
did
recording.
not do anything illegal. I am not.
We're 10-4. We're 10-4. Why do you gotta push the boundaries?
I did nothing illegal. Not one thing illegal did I do. I am not under arrest for anything legal. You have no legal right to fucking arrest me. And he used way too much force. Way more force than was necessary.
Okay.
You see the fucking blood running down my face, you fucking piece of shit?
Thank you.
You're a fucking piece of shit. Get the fuck away from me. Get the fuck away from me. I don't want him near me.
Stand up. Come on. Come on. You talked to me earlier, no problem. Walk with me. I got you. Come on.
No,
Walk with me.
listen,
Walk to the left.
my son is over there.
Walk with me. Walk with me. I'll walk with you.
You gotta get me a fucking medic here right away. No, I am not.
When you gotta cut in,
You guys are getting sued big time.
I know, it's what you wanted.
No, it's not what I want.
You want to get a reaction?
It's not what I want.
And now you got a
No,
reaction.
it's not what I want.
It's Harvard to try to be so annoying and try to get out of the And then you went into his car?
He started recording. He starts recording inside my car. You know you cannot. They cannot see the MDT that's in our car.
You can't go reaching into your car. Right?
No, he didn't know. He put the camera, starts recording what's inside my car. You know, this is confidential stuff that's in here. Huh?
262, send me up front before you clear.
Turn off body camera.
Watch your head. Thanks, sir. And there's the ambulance at headquarters. Let me get your shoes for you, all right?
No, he put the camera, starts recording what's inside my car. You know, this is confidential
We got shit.
that's in here.
Hey, he said he's got his kid over there.
Huh?
262, send me up front.
I don't know where, but I don't see any kids over here.
Where's my phone? What am I being charged with?
No, I didn't charge you.
What am I in the back of this police car for? Do you have a dash cam running? Is there a recording running right now?
Yes, sir. Everything's recording.
You had no reason to put hands on me. This is an illegal fucking arrest. What's your name and badge number?
Wait, 287. Remember from earlier?
No, I don't remember.
I said, please thank you for doing my oath.
Yeah, well, now you're part of the fucking lawsuit.
No problem. I'm just driving you in. I gathered your property for you. I put your keys in a bag that says blood on it. And I'm bringing you into headquarters. That's it.
I see how much you guys care about my well-being, how you got me medic. I'm fucking blood pouring down my face. Ridiculous.
I have to search you in there anyway, take your socks off, all that fun stuff. Just put your keys in the bag, alright? Step over here. Face the wall for me, sir. Just gonna put you here because the officer is charging you. We'll come back here, he'll bring you in there to process you, okay?
You know what I'm being charged with?
Like I just said, sir, before.
Yeah, well, you got me here in handcuffs, dragged me.
I don't have you here.
Yeah, you do. You have me here right now.
I'm just your escort.
Yeah.
Bring your arm down, sir. Thank you, Mr. Doty. That's me, Mr. Douche. Thank you, sir. That's me, sir. I apologize. I'm not overreacting, yelling like you want me to. I apologize. What is it? Neuropathy? Enlighten me. I'm new to doctor stuff, so enlighten me. What is neuropathy pain?
Damage.
Okay, no problem. She told me that when I put you here. I told you the officer's gonna come back and put you in the processing room in a second. He's just gonna talk to the lieutenant.
Well, it's been way more than a second.
I'll put you in the bench then.
And I did say I was handicapped when I walked in out of the day over there.
Didn't even hear you, sir. I apologize. I would have addressed it then, like I just did now. Just come here. Just take a seat in the long end. Thanks, sir. Bring your hand back. I got all that. I just got to do this. No, they have the overdose in Springwood Park, which I advised him of.
I'm used to it.
Hey, Mr. Dottie.
After the arrest, officers provided inconsistent explanations, while Craig remained in custody without immediate clarity on charges. The interaction highlighted confusion between officers about what legal basis justified the detention. In Beck v. Ohio, 379 U.S. 89, 1964, probable cause must exist before an arrest is made and cannot be justified after the fact. As of the most recent update available in May 2026, Craig had stated his intent to plead not guilty, while the legal outcome of the case remained unresolved publicly. The incident continues to be discussed as an example of disputed police escalation and accountability concerns in public recording encounters.